Welcome back, Little by a Lot. Today we're going to go over how I keep my above ground pool nice and crystal clear. So let me show you what the pool looks like. It's been raining almost every day, it seems like. We just got done with Hurricane Barrel, which threw a whole bunch of stuff in here, which is the organics, which is, you know, if you leave them in there too long, it really can mess up your chemical imbalance of the pool. This is really a really simple process. Everybody's like, how do you keep it crystal clear? This is how I do it, okay? So let's take a look first. As you can tell, you can see everything is nice and crystal clear. Like I said, it's been raining every day and it's not getting foggy or anything. This is a simple process if you have the right stuff. So the chemicals do matter, obviously, but this is not something that you need a pro to do for you. Step one, obviously, if you have the original filter that came with the pools, they aren't anything close to what this sand filter can do. This is a must-have upgrade to any above ground pool above probably 12 feet, 14 feet. So this is 18 feet. We had 14 foot. This works fantastic. I never really have to do anything. I backwash it once every couple weeks, which is an easy process. Just blows out this valve here, then I rinse it, and then I put it on the filter mode. I only keep it on for 2 hours a day. But even if you ran it 4 hours a day or 2 hours a day, that's still better than you can running the other one 12, 16, 20 hours a day. The second step is get you one of these. Link in the description. This is just a, I guess you call it bottom bot. It's just a ground filter machine that goes around and just circulates in and out. It goes on the outside of your filter, so not the input, but the output. As you can tell, it gets everything up. I clean it every 3, 4, 5 days just to make sure it's nice and running good. Third is getting you one of these floating chlorine tab dispenser. I keep it wide open. I put a couple of these in. As you can tell, mine is low and the pool still looks really good. I'm going to go ahead and add one of these, and then what I end up doing is using this pool chlorine. So this is a 10% sodium hypochlorite. I end up putting about 1/3 of this in there. I have a pressure washing business, Salty Sea Pressure Washing. So if you're here in the Seabrook area, let me know. Seabrook, Texas area, let me know. And it has 12.5% sodium hypochlorite, which is what I get from my pool supply place. And so I just end up filling up those. And so I have 12.5%. For putting chlorine, as well as the chlorine tabs, these two will mix together, you know, within the pool. And it keeps this chlorine more stable with these chlorine tabs. It's not the same. I have tried a lot of the algicides, the pHs, the different, you know, the uppers, the downers. I've tried a lot of those. They just haven't worked really effectively for me. And I found this method last year with the pool chlorine, the liquid chlorine, and it works really great for me. We're out in the Texas sun. We get lots and lots of sun and heat and humidity, and it has worked fantastic. This year I haven't had an issue at all. As you can see, it's a very easy process. There's not a lot of thinking to it. I don't test my water. I really just kind of go off feel. So if I get a lot of rain, I usually add chlorine a little more often. If it's been fine, and depends on the heat as well. If it's been super hot, I add a little more chlorine. And if it's been pretty mild, I don't really worry about it too much. Probably every 4 to 5 days I'll look at it and see if it's looking okay. Typically it's every 3 to 4 days that I look at it. I'll add a chlorine tab, I'll add some bleach. It doesn't smell really bad. There isn't a flavor of just chlorine coming out of this pool. It doesn't get in your eyes, it doesn't stain any of your clothes. It's fantastic. So that's it. That's how you keep an above ground pool nice and clean. So until next time, I'll see you on the next one. There our visitors come every day. See the deer? There's some fawns somewhere, but these are our typical visitors. There's one laying right there. Hey guys. There's one of the fawns right there. Hey little big, he's getting big, isn't he? One of these is the mama. Probably one laying down here like, leave me alone.